The Center for Credible Leadership and Citizens Awareness, coalition of civil society organizations, have called on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, to intervene and prevail on Chairman of Inec, Professor Yakubu Mahmood, to recognize Edozie Njoku as the National Chairman of Apga. The Director General of Center for Credible Leadership and Citizens Awareness, Dr. Nwambu Gabriel, who made the appeal at a press briefing in Abuja, said the Inec boss's continuous disobedience of the court order may lead to an invitation to self-help.
Today, perhaps, the most worrisome issue in Nigeria is the glaring evidence arising from the judgment of the FCT High Court, Buhari Division, which found Professor Mahmood Yakubu, the chairman of Inec, guilty of contempt of court. Evidently, however, our concern as civil society organizations is, why didn't Professor Mahmood explore the 14 days window offered to him by the court to purge himself of the contempt of court? We call on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who is the highest beneficiary of court judgment in Nigeria as it stands today, that he is duty-bound to stop this impunity. Just imagine what would have become of Nigeria if the court judgment of the Supreme Court affirming him as the President and Commander-in-Chief was flouted and was not obeyed. We also call on Chief Lateef Fagbemi SAN, the Attorney General of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Minister of Justice, as the Chief Law Officer to intervene and prevail on Professor Yakubu Mahmood to recognize Chief Edozie Njoku as the National Chairman of Apga. We call on Malam Nuhu Ribado, the National Security Advisor to Mr. President, to intervene on this matter because disobedience to court orders is an invitation to self-help. Finally, we call on Professor Mahmood Yakubu, the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to obey the judgment of the FCT High Court Buhari Division, which clearly stated that Chief Edozie Njoku is the national chairman of Apga.
The group also called on the Independent National Electoral Commission Chairman, Yakubu Mahmood, to obey the judgment of the FCT High Court Buhari, which clearly stated that Edozie Njoku is the national chairman of Apga.